Bitcoin crosses critical $27,200 mark as buying support wanes in the BTC price prediction. By crossing the critical $27,200 threshold, the price of Bitcoin has moved significantly, although the buying support seems to be weakening. Investors and analysts are eagerly monitoring the market for clues regarding Bitcoin's upcoming price changes as it continues its erratic ride. Both optimism and caution have been sparked by the most recent breach of the $27,200 barrier, raising questions about the viability of this upward momentum. In this BTC price forecast, we'll look at the main influences influencing Bitcoin's present trajectory and probable future performance possibilities. Michael Saylor highlights the value of Bitcoin in individuals' portfolios. According to Michael Saylor, the moral necessity and global significance of Bitcoin are two of the main reasons why individuals keep it. Saylor provides these arguments in addition to the Bitcoin characteristics that are more well-known and draw users. Michael Saylor claimed during an interview that Bitcoin has the capacity to give the 8 billion people who live on the world hope and property rights. According to him, the capacity of Bitcoin to provide digital property or digital scarcity to the entire world's population via a mobile device signifies a paradigm change. Saylor also asserted his conviction that the rise in inflation is resulting in a crisis of confidence in banks, fiat money, and the institutions that regulate them. He draws attention to the broad decline of confidence in the conventional banking system. Saylor claims that people are using commodity money because they no longer have as much faith in traditional fiat currencies. He contends that materials like gold, oil, and real estate lack the flexibility required for smooth trades between alternatives. As a result, Bitcoin develops into a commodity that is an essential tool for all kinds of transactions and provides a solution to the growing financial problems facing the world. The fact that Saylor made such encouraging comments has helped Bitcoin bounce back from its recent setbacks. Addresses of wallets containing 1 BTC or more Bitcoin. The number of BTC wallet addresses containing 1 or more Bitcoins has topped 1 million, according to data from Glassnode. With Bitcoin's price falling by almost 65% over the course of the year, there are now significantly more wallet addresses holding 1 or more Bitcoins. The most noticeable increases happened in June, during a catastrophic market fall, and on November 11, following the collapse of FTX and its subsequent petition for bankruptcy. About 190,000 new whole coiners have appeared since early February 2022, when the price of Bitcoin began to drop from its peak in November 2021. It's crucial to remember that 1 Bitcoin wallet address does not always point to a single person, therefore attaining 1 million addresses marks a new milestone. Numerous Bitcoin users have multiple addresses, and important institutions like financial institutions and Bitcoin exchanges also have sizable Bitcoin holdings. The increase in BTC, USD on Monday can be attributed to this news. Long-term BTC holders have reduced market activity, according to data. The number of outputs that have been used for Bitcoin, BTC, after being inactive for 1 to 2 years has reportedly dropped to a 10-month low, according to Glassnode. The utilization of Bitcoin outputs that have lain dormant for at least a year and a half is tracked by the statistic, number of spent outputs with lifespan 1Y2Y, 7D moving average. This indicator dropped to 164.214 on May 13, 2023, the lowest point since July 13, 2022. The decrease in this indicator raises the possibility of a change in long-term investors' trading habits or a fall in market activity. It suggests that long-term investors are either selling or relocating their coins, which may be a sign that they are not confident in Bitcoin's long-term growth potential. Furthermore, it can suggest that some investors choose to keep onto their BTC for extended periods of time rather than partake in short-term trading. Bitcoin cost. The price of Bitcoin is at $27,400, up 2% from the previous trading day. After suffering a sharp loss the previous week, Bitcoin has managed to make up some lost ground and is currently trading above $27,000. This rising trend has been influenced by a number of variables. On Monday, Bitcoin climbed higher, pushing through the 27,000 barrier after finding support at 26,650. On the 4-hour time frame, a bullish engulfing candle developed, suggesting that Bitcoin's price may continue to rise. The 26,700 level and the 15-day exponential moving average offer immediate support. Buyers currently control the market as the 50-day exponential moving average has been convincingly crossed above the 200-day. Therefore, if Bitcoin is able to overcome the $27,000 resistance level, a price gain to $28,000 is not ruled out. Notably, considerable resistance might be anticipated close to 28,700. The likelihood of a trend higher than 26,700 is increased because the RSI and MACD are both pointing to a purchasing zone. The next levels of support, if Bitcoin prices fall below $26,000, are anticipated to be at $25,900, if not as low as $25,000.